A Queens man accused of strangling his girlfriend to death last month was back in court Monday. Our Stefan Kim was in the courtroom and tells us what his attorneys had to say.
Jason Bond is a University of Florida law school graduate, but Monday he appeared in court on the wrong side of the law. The 33-year-old was indicted by a grand jury on a first-degree murder charge in the death of his girlfriend. Police found Danielle Thomas dead last month in the bathtub of the couple's Astoria apartment, surrounded by bags of ice. Bone's attorney says his client has been suffering from emotional disturbances his whole life.
This may not be a case of who done it as much as why it happened. And to that extent, I do think that Mr. Bond's mental capacity will become an issue in this case.
Why did it happen?
You'll have to wait to the court and as it unfolds.
Prosecutors say Bond beat and strangled Thomas, a Weight Watchers executive. The 27-year-old was found after police allege Bond called them to say they had gotten into an argument and he had thrown her into a wall. Cops claim he suggested they check on her. The Queens DA says notes allegedly written by Bond were recovered at their apartment, apologizing and calling the incident an accident.
I can't comment on the evidence. We haven't seen it. We haven't seen any written statements about it. We haven't seen any identification of who made that call.
This is not the first time Bone has been suspected of violence against Thomas. On June 7th, Thomas told authorities that he had assaulted her. Police say they listened in while Bone called her cell phone and threatened her life while she was at the police station. Thomas then obtained an order of protection. If convicted, Bond could face up to life in prison without the possibility of parole. He's due back in court on September 24th. In Queens, Stefan Kim, New York 1.